Hey everyone, welcome back to Retirement and Beyond. My name is William Haynes. Today I'll be talking about index funds. I want to talk about what are index funds, why do people invest in index funds, and why don't you hear more about them? Index funds might not be for everybody, and that being said, I have a quick disclosure for you. This video does not contain any personalized advice. It is a purely educational video meant to get you thinking about personal finance. Consult with a financial, tax, or legal professional who has taken the time to learn about your unique situation before making any decisions. So what is an index fund? An index fund is an exchange-traded fund or a mutual fund that tracks a market index. So when the market index that your fund is tracking goes up or down, so does your index fund. Index funds are really awesome because they're relatively cheap on a fee basis, and you don't have to worry about spending tens of thousands of dollars buying each equity at the right percentage in that market index. Instead, you can just buy a single fund, usually less than $400, that does that all for you. A few of the more popular market indexes to track are the S&P 500, S&P 400, and Russell 2000. The S&P 500 is a market index that's made up of 500 domestic large cap companies. Now, what a large cap company is, it's a company that's market cap is more than $10 billion. The S&P 400 is made up of 400 domestic mid-cap companies. So what a mid-cap company is it has a market cap of between $2 and $10 billion. So it doesn't quite have the market cap of a large cap company. It's not as big as a large cap company, but in the grand scheme of things, they're still really large companies. Finally, the Russell 2000 is made up of 2,031 domestic small cap companies. And so what a small cap company is, it has a market cap between 300 million and 2 billion. Why do people buy index funds? Index fund investing is a very, very popular strategy because it's cheap and it's easy. It's cheap because index funds charge much less than the average ETF or mutual fund. It's easy because you no longer have to worry about doing market research or buying and selling stocks all the time, worrying about what stocks to buy and when to sell them. Instead, just if you buy and hold an index fund over the next 5, 10, 20, 30 years, you won't have to worry about any of that. That being said, if you buy and hold an index fund, then you also won't have to worry about a large tax bill at the end of the year, like you might if you buy and sell stocks all the time. Another reason why people like it is because if you buy and hold index funds, you don't have to worry about the personal biases that you naturally have. Personal biases are the reason why most people aren't good investors. Some people, it just seems like they're born to invest and they're able to put those personal biases aside. But I would say 97, 98% of people aren't able to do that. And so for those people who, if they want to invest on their own, buying and holding an index fund is a good strategy for them. That being said, I don't know your personal situation, so if you are looking at different investment strategies, make sure to talk to a professional. If index fund investing is such a great strategy, it's cheap, it's easy, and a lot of people will probably get better returns off index investing than buying and holding individual stocks because we aren't good investors, then why don't you hear about index fund investing more? Well, there's a really simple answer to that. People who talk to you about investing, like the people you may listen to on the radio, watch on TV, maybe an insurance agent likes to talk to you about investing. Those people need you to need them consistently. So if you saw on TV this indexing strategy and, oh, you can buy and hold over the next 10, 20, 30 years and do well, then what's the point of tuning in over the next 10 to 20, 30 years? So that's why you don't hear about it more often. But just because you don't hear about it doesn't mean it's not a viable strategy. Again, I know I'm a broken record, but one last time, make sure to talk to a professional before investing. I'm not making any specific suggestions. I'm just trying to educate on why some people like to invest in index funds. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.